10-piece set includes 1 cup, 1.75 cup and 3.4 cup glass containers with lids. Perfect for meal prep. Silicone sleeve protects glass. Crystal clear Eastman Tritan lid lets you see inside. All parts are dishwasher safe, container is microwave, oven safe, and BPA free. Top reviews from the United States. Best brand for storage containers. I've tried so many different storage containers and these are the best. The others would chip and you'd see little flakes around the dishes. Imagine if you accidentally eat those. Saw these at Costco and bought some. They were so good we went back to Costco to buy some more. These are deeper compared to normal containers of the same size so you can fit more food in it. It works out great as we like to meal prep and cook several types of dishes in one go. Now hubby wants all the storage containers replaced with this brand, so I bought these off of Amazon. Really liked the sizes, thinking of buying another one of these, or maybe I should go for the circular ones next time. Definitely worth it. Go get yourself this set, you won't regret it. I put a ruler in the photo for size reference.